Eastern wisdom makes life easy and living also easy. The life refers to external circumstances, jobs, relationship, finances, social and family, professional life, where we talk of work-life balance, but that is the living. The living refers to the internal experience. What is outside is one thing. What you experience inside, your mental state, which is calm in all the circumstances, emotional state, physical, a sense of the purpose is already there. For example, losing a job, life, maintaining inner peace even after losing a job, and don't be overexcited when you get a job. That is living. So what exactly happens in our life is that there are many permutation and combinations. First permutation combination is difficult life and easy living. Difficult life, you have everything outside the external situation, you are very well settled, you have a good job, you are earning good enough, you have a good relationship, and still, because the mind keeps on chasing, or mind is balanced. It always looks inside, living the internal peace, balance, humility, and creativity. So it is not a difficult life, it is an easy life outside. You have everything, but also you have an easy living. That chasing is not there. But if you may have a difficult life. Difficult life means that you are feeling lot of challenges in your life, but internal calm is there. That is the second option. First is easy life, easy living. In spite of all those challenges, what makes you peaceful, calm, relaxed, and humble comes from inside you. It doesn't come from the money, whether you have money or you don't have, whether you are single or married. It doesn't make any difference. But in the second scenario, you have a difficult life, you have a lot of challenges, and still you are able to maintain calmness and peace. That person is a perfect seeker in the journey of self-discovery as laid down by our great masters. So easy life, easy living, first option. Difficult life, still easy living. And now you have easy life but difficult living. How come? Everything is there, well placed, well organized, and still you have a sense of fear and anxiety. You are running after, constantly running after. You have been running for the last 20 years and you are still running. You have a life of comfort outside, but you don't have a life of calmness and peace and the joy within. You have certain fears. I read an article. The women said that I have $1 million in my account, but now I want to divorce my husband, but I don't want to give even a single penny out of that $1 million. What to do and how to do it. You see, I'm disturbed. So even we have enough, we are disturbed. We don't have it. Obviously, we say that we are already disturbed. That is the third scenario. Are you understanding? That is the third scenario. why it happens, why I'm not able to maintain that calm and the poise in spite of challenges. I have one chasing attitude. What is that chasing? I'm chasing peace and happiness outside in the external world. How I am chasing peace and happiness? Because I have projected happiness and the love on my wife, on the money, on the situation, on the home, etc. The humility has left me. Are you understanding? Humility has left me. So now this this is the problem. So the problem where lies? Problem lies within me. The problem is not in the money. With what attitude I accept the money, I receive the money, and I spend the money is very important. I'm single, then what? I'm married, then what? Mind continues to live into that state of the calmness that is oozing out from within you. That is the journey of the Eastern wisdom, and that is what all mindfulness and meditation practices teaches. But then what happens? There is a biggest mind trap. What is that trap? Busy, making life easy. If I'm busy, then it makes my life easy. If I continue chasing, then it will make my life easy. If I continue to work, which leads me to stress, you continue to work, there is no problem. But I overexert and overburden in my life, it is coming from our mind, which has become the worst master. Worst master. What should we do? That is why the master says that I have to understand clearly. I have to understand clearly that how I should think, speak, and act. What it means, how I think, what is that intention inside which expresses in the form of a behavior and attitude? Otherwise, Otherwise, we continue to suffer from sense of anxiety, duality, conflict, and delusion. And the entire life, I'm 80 and 90 years old, and still I have the same challenges in my life. So Eastern wisdom helps us to understand how to change this internal pattern of the mind so that we can enter into the state of mental and the emotional well-being, and that expresses in the form of peace, love, truth, wisdom. That is what is all about Eastern wisdom.